Now, when we deal with money, literally anything that has to do with money, you always hear that it's very important to diversify. So I have multiple prop firms, I trade multiple accounts, literally I have a whole list of them. Now, it is very important that I'm able to make money from every single account and make the most of it. But it's also key that I do this in the safest way possible. So you might be in that situation, you have multiple prop firms or multiple brokers, you want to know exactly how to manage these, how do you trade on all of them, how do you make profits from all of them, do I do it all at once? Now, these are the questions I'm going to be answering in this video. In the past, I did used to connect all my trading accounts together, trade everything all at once, but I actually do not do that anymore. And I've changed to a new system, and this is what I'm going to go through. But let's first dive into why I no longer do that. The first thing is just imagine yourself having a rough trading. All your accounts being connected together means you can literally blow every single one. If you're funded, 1 mil, 2 mil, whatever it is, you can literally blow the whole thing just, in the space of a week or month, which is kind of insane. You go from literally all that work to being back to zero. Of course, it's nice when you are making money because you're literally printing money, right? You trade on one account, you're making money on the rest of them. You're doing 10K months, 20K months. That's the nice part, but you always need to think defensively to protect your accounts because, the longer you can last in this game, the more money you'll make. So with that in mind, there are two ways that you can manage your accounts. Option number one is doing this completely manually. It's not really going to cost you any money or anything, but this is doing it manually. So how I prefer to do it now is to trade my account separately. I trade every single account separately. What this means, of course, it means that I'm not printing money like I would if I had everything all connected, but I am able to kind of have way better psychology. When I say way better, I mean it's just significantly better. So let me just paint a picture for you. Let's just say I have 10 different accounts I'm trading. I'm going to trade one account. One account is a fresh 100K account. That one account now, I'm going to try to make profit from that one account. Fresh 100K, I make 2%. That's 2K on that account. I'm going to leave that account alone until I make a withdrawal. That's basically what's happening now. I make that 2%, I leave that account alone, I don't touch it, and then I'm going to wait, 2 weeks, whatever it might be, to get a withdrawal, and then I know I've made money that way. But whilst that is cooking, I move on to the next account. So I have 2K pretty much already made guaranteed. I start trading the next account. The next account, let's say I go through drawdown, I make money, go through drawdown. The moment I'm in the green, so let's say I'm up 1K, I'm up 2K, I would say around that 2% is the sweet spot for me. But even if I'm up just 1%, because 1K is still a lot of money, especially when you have a big account size. I'm up 1K, I leave that account and I move on to the next account. So now I'm pretty much guaranteed, 3K now, and I still have, let's say I have 1 week left to go. The next account now, I'm in drawdown, I'm down 2%, 3%. I'm just going to continue trading that account for as long as it takes for me to get into the green again. That's basically what happens. If I blow that account, then guess what? Cool. I blew that account, for example, and then I move on to the next account, but I'm still making money. You get the idea now? Now, why this is so good is because now, number one, you get that you're not stressed by the idea that all of your accounts are linked, especially when you're losing a trade. Because when you lose a trade, you realize, I've lost a trade on 10 accounts. You lose the next one, I've lost trades on 20 accounts. You're down 5%, now you're down 5% on all of your accounts. That's really the part that you're trying to avoid. But this way, you're always making money. You're literally always making money, especially when you have a big account. That's why one funded account can really change your life, right? So doing it this way, why I say you can do this for free is because the annoying part of this is having to log in. It's not really a hassle, but it's an extra step. You have to find your details for every account. I mean, good management, if you're someone who's just good at managing stuff, put all your account details all in like Apple Notes, in the notebook somewhere, and then you just have all your details. But you have to kind of log into MT5 each time and then continue that way. But a system I like to use that just kind of makes it easier is what I'm going to show you now. So what I prefer to do is use a software known as Traders Connect. Every single account that you do add onto this is going to cost you $20. Well, pretty much $10. So you add one account, $10, the next is another $10. That's 20. Just to have a primary master account and for you to have a account that you then copy trades to. So what this is just a trade copier. That's all it is. You can see I have different accounts here. Trades are copied, to different ones basically. Right now I only have 4, but there are more accounts, but I don't have all of them connected at the moment. But these are just 4 accounts that I'm showing you. So what I do, why this just makes my life easier is because they're all connected, right? I have the master account and then I have the different copiers. So if I want to trade one account at the moment, all I actually have to do is just turn off the other account. So I can just turn this off in the click of a button and then I'm trading just one account. If I want to now copy trades to the next account, all I have to do is do this, and now every trade that I take is going to copy onto this FTMO account that I have right here. It just makes life easier. Yes, it costs money, but it's one that I'm just paying just for convenience, so I don't have to log in every single time. This is what I used to use to copy trades onto every account, which I wouldn't recommend it anymore, but this is what you would do if you wanted to copy from one account onto all your other accounts, but in this case I just use it to selectively pick what account I want to trade to. I only have 4 at the moment, so that way I can kind of shuffle between both. But if I wanted to add another account, if I delete one of these, you'll see that this percentage here will reduce, and then I can just sign into another account. Very simple, very easy. This is what I will recommend now, and just understand that this is what you guys should start doing because of the peace of mind. That is the biggest part of this. Not even, you know, if you were to take one thing away from this video, it's just understanding that you will have way better psychology, because we all know that it's not your trading system, it's not the strategy, it's not, you know, any of that is really making you lose. Yes, they all play a part, but once you have all of that sorted, because every strategy is good in some way, let's say some strategies, but majority of people are just losing money because of their psychology. So if you can even add an extra 1%, 2% to just making that better, you become more profitable. And this is a system that I've found that will definitely help majority of you to be more profitable this year. Because remember, just think about it this way: you focus on one account, you get funded in that account. As soon as you're funded in that account, you want to just have a withdrawal, whether that's $500, $100, whatever it is. As soon as you have that sorted, you just leave it alone. You don't have to touch that account anymore until you're able to make a withdrawal, and then you start working on the next account. Whilst, you know, even if you have a very bad trading streak on the next account, you're still happy because you're making money on your other account regardless. And then you build that account up, you get profitable on that one as well, you get funded. That account, you now add it onto the other collection. You make money on the first account, make money in the second account, you leave those, you're going to get a withdrawal from those accounts, and now you're working on the third account, and you just continue streaking up like this, right? It's just 10 times better, trust me. I want you guys to try it out. Let me know what you do think of all of this. If you did enjoy this video or found some kind of value, be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.